Welcome to our course on building microservices in Python. In this first module, we will cover the essential setup steps, including install Python, pip, and create virtual environments. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure Python is installed on your system. Python is available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website. Here, the python.org. Then follow the installation instruction for your operating system. Then ensure add Python to path is checked during installation. It's in the Windows. Once you have installed Python, you can verify the installation by opening your terminal or command prompt and typing the following command: python --version. Expect the output is Python 3 point something. Pip is the package installer for Python, allowing you to install and manage additional libraries and dependencies. Pip is included with Python 3.4 and later. Let's verify if pip is installed. Just type in your terminal or command prompt pip --version. If pip is not installed or you need to upgrade it, you can use the following command: python-m ensure pip then upgrade. Virtual environments allows you to create isolated environments for your Python projects, ensuring the dependencies do not interfere with each other. Let's see how to create and activate a virtual environment. First, we need to install virtual env. Pip install virtual env in your command prompt or terminal. Next, the virtual env, my env, virtual env, my env. Then active the virtual environment. In Windows, here's the my env scripts, then activate. And my OS and Linux source, my env bin activate. Once the virtual environment is activated, you will see the environment name in your terminal prompt. Let's verify this by checking the Python version again. Here, python --version. The output should show the Python version from the virtual environment. Great job! We've successfully installed Python, pip, and set up a virtual environment. In the next module, we will start building on our first microservice in Python. Make sure your environment is ready and let's move